Tasi!
Welcome back to Alphabet Storytime. Today's tale begins with the jolly, jazzy letter J. Let's say it together. J, J, J. Meet Jasper the Jaguar. He's joyful, jolly, and loves jungle jamborees. He lives near Jellybean Junction, in the heart of the jungle. One juicy morning, Jasper had a jolly idea. I'll throw a jungle jamboree with jumping, juggling, and jammin' tunes. He jingled his bell and invited all his jungle friends.
It's my roadie Opie! At the Jamboree, oh what a scene! A jackrabbit jumped over jelly beans. A jaguar juggled jingle bells so bright, and a jellyfish played jazz with pure delight.
Then came the jungle jam, with joyful music, juicy snacks, and jazzy moves. Everyone sang, J is for Jaguar, Jamboree, and Joy. What a jolly jungle jamboree! Jasper the Jaguar showed us how joyful the letter J can be. Can you think of more J words? Let's keep exploring.